easy, creamy cucumber salad recipe. Oh yeah. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. First thing we're going to need to do is get our cucumbers ready. We're going to take 2 fresh English-style cucumbers and cut them down the center. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a small spoon and just scoop out the seeds. Now this isn't necessary, but it does help with the flavoring and keep some of the moisture down. I recommend it. It doesn't take but a second to do, as you can see here, and it makes a little bit of a difference in the end product. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slice our cucumber, and about 1/8 to 1/4 inch is what I like to aim for. I like to have lots of small pieces with that dressing all over it and have it nice and crunchy in your salad. Take your time. Make sure to use your finger to guide the knife, like so, and hit that subscribe button. That's right. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. It helps our channel a lot, costs you absolutely nothing, and lets you know when those videos come out. All right, so as you can see here, we've got these down to about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch, and we're going to put those in bowls, set them aside. Now we've got ourselves a nice red onion. We're going to take and we're going to use our wonderful mandolin to slice these into paper thin slices. Now, don't be a hero. When it gets too little, just go ahead and use your knife and cut the rest. Better that than your fingers, eh? All right, as you can see, the mandolin does its job well, and we've got these amazing paper thin onion pieces that we're going to add to our salad. Super easy. All right, we're going to add all of this to our bowl, and we're going to give this a nice little mix. Make sure that the onions aren't glopped up into one small area, and make sure that each bite that your friends and family get of this wonderful salad is going to have a little bit of everything. A little onion, a little cucumber, and make sure a little love. Just like that. All right, now for the dressing, we are going to take 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now we've got about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of fresh dill, not dried, fresh. If you're going to use dry, use 2 tablespoons. We've got 3 tablespoons of vinegar we're going to add to that. And then salt and pepper to taste. Once we've got everything in that bowl, we're going to give this all a nice little stir. Stir, 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 stir. Make sure to incorporate all of those wonderful flavors together. Don't make any of those flavors be missed. And here we have everything ready to go. As you can see, I've added all of our salad ingredients into a larger bowl so that when I mix them together with this dressing, it's going to do wonders and get all over everything. Everything needs to have a little bit of that dressing, and so make sure to use a bowl large enough to get the right mix in. And as always, stir, 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 stir. I love to have these cucumber salads with barbecue, sometimes as a side dish with something that's a little spicy. Adds a little refreshing flavor and coolness to your entire meal. Give it a try. It's really worth it, and it's super. And there you have it. Beautiful, easy cucumber salad. Delicious, cooling, and wonderful. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'd like to personally thank each and every one of you who have shared our videos on your social media. It's truly making a difference for us, and we really appreciate it. Happy cooking. Good day.